Hi there, students. A mugwump. A mugwump. I think this is almost exclusively an American word. Let's see, a mugwump is somebody who is politically independent. They don't support any particular political party. They don't support the Democrats, they don't support the Republicans, they don't support the ecologists, they don't support any particular party. I think they prefer to remain independent. Now, I did find an old-fashioned British word, mugwump, meaning an idiot, somebody stupid. So, any mugwump can do this. 2 + 2 is 4. It's not rocket science. Any mugwump can do it. But I think if you talk to British people, they're not going to know the word mugwump. I think mugwump is in American politics. This is somebody who is neutral. They're independent. They are undecided. Now, the origin of this word is quite interesting. In the American presidential election of 1884, there was a Republican candidate, James G. Blaine, who everybody believed, a lot of people believed were corrupt, and a lot of the Republicans instead went over and decided to support the Democratic candidate, Grover Cleveland, and Cleveland was eventually elected. So this James Blaine, he was accused of being corrupt, and people voted for the opposition, or moved over to support the opposition because of this. But nowadays this has gone on to mean somebody who doesn't commit themselves, but particularly in politics, somebody who's undecided. I think I would call it the floating voter. As a reporter, he's talked to political groups of all types: Democrats, Republicans, mugwumps, you name it. Okay, so the mugwump is an independent, but a person who is independent in politics. They don't support any particular party, and I think mugwumpism is actually quite a good thing, because I think if you look at all the different parties, some of them have some good ideas and some really bad ideas, and you just want to take the best of each. But that's unfortunately not possible with party politics. So the origin is a Republican who refused to support the party ticket in 1884. Now, this word actually comes from Massachusetts, from the Indian language, and it comes from mug, or mugwump. I think mug is great, and omp is a man. So mugwump is a great man from the Algonquian language. Okay, so a mugwump, yeah, somebody who's independent in politics. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mugwump.